I think we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, there's a product called Junk Journal Pages. That sounds dumb. So what is that? If you look here in the picture, it's probably a little small in the video, but a junk journal is kind of a funny scribbled drawings, and then you're writing your journal entries in around these pictures. And like they say, it's not digital, it's meant to be printed out and just like that. So it's kind of like the way a greeting card is, really. But take a closer look at this. $12.95, fresh out today, one of the top sellers. I'm going to see if I can go in here and get you a better picture of this. They show some there, but I'll cut it down. 300 of these junk journal pages, nostalgic vintage charm, and with full private label rights. You can rebrand, resell, bundle the pages into your own products, create your own junk journal kits, offer digital downloads, or even produce physical journals to sell. And the whole thing is, you got PLR, and how much is it? $12.95. Fresh up today, I'm going to say you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There is a picture like the one you just saw, the junk journal thing, bit of a description of what it is. The upgrade offers are there. So the front end, $12.95 as we speak right now. And then there's some upgrade offers for mock-ups, expansion kits, coloring kits, starter kits, so on. So you'll see that there's some upgrade offers that are possible. And then you click the link at the bottom or the product box at the top, and you can grab a copy of this. 300 of the junk journals. I'm going to go back to this just because I want to show you, not that, that's the pretty look, but that. There we go. That'll work better. Yeah, that's what I want to show you. So these are pages, right? And you can see each page has a scribbled kind of a graphic, and then there's room for you to put in your today was a great day, and I met a new friend, and I was sick today, and I felt awful, and we went traveling the next day, whatever. So you can picture drawing your journal in with these, and that it's quaint, and it's old-fashioned, and it's kind of cool. So that's the whole point of it. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Junk journal pages, $12.95, over 300 junk journal pages, just like this. Enjoy. Go check it out. Click the link in the video description and go check out Junk Journal Pages.